Hey all, welcome back to my channel. Today we will gonna see that how we can use the move command in our Linux platform. In order to do that, what we have already created a new folder called copy. In order to create a folder, the command is mkdir copy. That's our folder name is. Let's go ahead and see that if there is a new folder with the name copy has been created. Since we already have it, that's why it says it cannot create a new one. Let's create a new file here on the desktop called touch as test for copy, and that's our new file. And if we see that, we are able to see that this file is currently on our desktop. Now let's move this file from the desktop to your folder. In order to do that, the command is move space the folder or the file name that what you have. In our scenario, the file name is test for copy, and we want to move this particular file to the copy folder. Once you do that, it will gonna automatically copy this file. Now let's go to this particular folder and see that whether this particular file has been copied over there or not. In order to do that, let's go to our desktop, and then we have created a folder called copy. Let's see ls, and you will be able to see that now there is a file has been copied with test for copy. Just in case if we want to change the name of this particular file from test for copy to I'll say test1, just in case if you want to change the file name, mv command can also be used in order to change name. So write mv test for copy, that's our file name is. And suppose if I want to make a file name as 1, so I'll just gonna put 1 or whatever the new file name is and press enter. Now if I'll go back and see that, you will be able to see that the test for copy name file has been changed to 1. That's the way we usually use the mv command in our Linux platform. Thank you.